All right, guys, we're live. We are looking at gold. Quickly, I want us to look at gold together. See if we can get maybe some entries or setup. See, like what is happening on gold. We're coming from a resistance that price has swept liquidity. It was liquidity sweep, so it's nice. This tells us that now the market will drop. Okay, there is potential for it to drop. Switching to the 1 hour time frame to see if there's any change, character, change in direction. Okay, you can see the low here was taken out, so there is a change in direction. Switch to the 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Okay, it's nice. It's nice, huh? This low was taken, so we have an OB around here. Yeah, this is if you want to sell. If you are looking for a sell on gold, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to this family. So what I'm expecting on gold now, to go short around this area. Yeah, I'll go short. Make stop loss there. Yeah, that's it for gold. This is the setup that I have on gold. Then if this low is taken out, then we're going to target here or here. Yeah, but the safest area is this one. you want to buy here to this point, hey, I wouldn't advise you to buy from here to take a pullback. I wouldn't advise you. Rather look for a sell entry around this area. Yeah, the best option is for you to look for a sell around this area. Yeah. Let me just check the 5-minute time frame. Five-minute time frame. It can still come back down, sweep liquidity, then come back up again, break the high. From the high, it will go back and see. This is what can happen, come here. Then from there, it can go to the downside. If it breaks this area, guys, you go down here, maybe even here. Then from here, we are going to be looking for buy entries. But yeah, that's why I'm not advising anyone to buy for now. Just wait for liquidity sweep if you want to take a short-term buy. Let's look at NAS100, guys. NAS100, because I had some sales on NAS100. Wow, man. Wow. So amazing. Wow. Look at the entry, guys. This is so amazing. Just take a screenshot here. Hit all TPs. All take profits were hit on NAS100. Let's try to analyze it again and see if we can get some entries. Start from the daily time frame. Start from the daily time frame. It's nothing much on the daily. Let's move to the 4 hour. Well, on the 4 hour time frame, we're having break here, meaning with an OB. Will be there. Let's have a go here. Baby girl, I love you. I really, really love you. But can I be your very dear? Promise I will love you now. Oh. Amen. It's on the 4 hour. Oh my God. Yeah, that's my setup for NAS100, guys. So I'm expecting for today on NAS100. That's what I'm expecting. For now, I'll sit back and watch what is happening. the market. Then as for gold, as for gold, we are looking for a sell. We're looking for a sell on gold. We want to sell gold around this area. We're going to sell gold around 4128.732. Yeah. As long as it is still trading around this area, we are not going to place any sell or buy. We are waiting for it to come here. It's very important for you to be patient when you are trading. Wait for price to come to your entry point or your point of interest, and stick to your setup, stick to your plan, guys. Don't chase the market. Just stick to your plan. Yes, you will take stop loss here and there, but that's how you build discipline in the market. Even if gold can just shoot towards the downside, we are not going to chase it. No? Waiting is still trading. We are trading as you are watching right now. We are waiting. It's part of trading. Doesn't mean that for you to say you were trading, you have to place a trade. No. We are training ourselves to be patient in the market. Some are being tempted to buy gold right now. They are being tempted to buy gold to this area. Okay? But it's still very early for you to execute a buy, to be honest. It's early for you to execute a buy. A short-term buy, it's early. Rather look for a buy around this area, guys. Look for a buy around this area. Yeah. That's the safest place for you to buy gold. Okay? This is a safe area for you to buy gold. But if you are going to buy gold here, say to go up, you are actually you are risky. How do you know if gold will manage to break out of this area? Because this is a major resistance, this one. And liquidity was taken. So there is bearish momentum right now in the market. You can see we're having a lower high, a lower low, we're having a lower low, a lower high. Now there is a lower low. We're expecting what? A lower high. Then from the lower high, we expect a lower low. That's if price manages to hold around this area. You see? So if you want to take a buy here as a short term to this area, wait for confirmation. I told you should wait for confirmation. You wait for confirmation. We looked at the 5 minute, and I told you that you should wait for price to maybe make a liquidity sweep before make a liquidity sweep before. A sweep liquidity, then come back up again to take out this high, take out this high. Then after takes out this high, you wait for it to come back, okay, to your entry. Then that's when you take a buy this area. That's how the market moves, man. I've just learned something, guys, that I was not aware of. Like, especially when you are taking a buy or a sell, you are taking a buy on a support level or a sell on a resistance. You should wait for liquidity sweep around those areas, because if you take a buy or a sell early, it will take you out before it goes towards the right direction. So rather wait for liquidity sweep. You see, now those who bought, now they are running in a loss. You see, because we are still waiting for price to sweep liquidity. If it doesn't, then we are going to catch the sell. We're going to catch the sell. Around this area, we're going to catch the sell here. And go down with it. But this is my first tip, take profit. Here it's where I'm looking to take my first take profit. Then if it manages to break from here, then yeah, target here. Now we just sit back and we watch. Those who bought early, they are in trouble. I'm telling you. They are in trouble. I'm telling you, I will only buy gold when it sweeps liquidity, just like what it is doing right now. And I will only buy if it sweeps liquidity and then it comes back up, break this high. Remember, we have a high here. When it breaks this high, then it comes back down. Again, it comes back down to this area. And that's where I will buy. I'll take a buy and then target. I'll target this area. I'll target this area. From here, then I take a sell. See what the market is doing. Sweeping liquidity, taking those who bought early, taking them out and collecting. It's going to also collect those who are saying now it's going to fall. There are those who take a sell, I'm telling you. Right now, we are left with 2 minutes for this candlestick to close. We are left with 2 minutes for this 15-minute candlestick to close. You see, and there are those who have already bought. They've placed sales here. They've placed sales. And those who've placed stop loss, their stop loss here, they are being taken out. So you see, very important to understand these things in the market. You never go wrong with price action, guys. I'm telling you. You never go wrong with price action. Once you master price action, you will never go wrong. Move this thing. Put it here. Put it here. See, if you bought earlier, it's chai. It's chai. Rather wait for a sell, guys. Wait for it for a sell. Because now it's stripping liquidity. So we have to patiently wait for it to come to our point of entry, which is 4128.897. That's where we want to look for a sell on gold. For now, we are just waiting. Okay, for a short-term buy, now it's still very early for you to buy. Wait for it to break this high, come back here, then yeah, you can buy with your stop loss here, then target this area. If gold fails to come to our entry, we are going to ignore it for today. Then we'll wait for it to come here so that we take a buy. Okay, but this is for the New York session. Around the New York section, we are going to be looking for buy entries on gold. Okay. So I'll come back for New York session. New York session. We'll come back for New York session. Oh yeah. What's on your watch list, guys? What's on your watch list? What are you trading today? What's on your watch list? What are you trading? What are you looking at? Are you looking at Nasdaq or are you looking at gold? So yeah, guys, as I'll come back. I'll come back. I'll come back again for a live session when price is at our entry. For now, let me just sign out. I'll come back.